The Olympia 600-watt hammer drill has a compact design, making it ideal for working in awkward spaces. The powerful 600-watt motor is capable of delivering up to 3,000 revolutions per minute. The tool has two functions: hammer drilling for masonry and concrete, rotary drilling for wood and steel. The trigger switch incorporates a thumb wheel for precise drilling speed selection, plus a reverse gear for undoing screws or freeing jammed drill bits. There is a 13mm half-inch keyless chuck for quick and easy bit changes, an adjustable side handle for greater control, plus a gauge for drilling holes to a specific depth. The product is supplied with side handle and depth gauge.